What's your secret? No details, just your philosophy.
There is no secret. Just me.
I don't follow.
Well, I'm a black man from the hood. Most of the guys I came up with are either dead or in jail. I live in the penthouse of my building, above the lawyers and doctors trying to get into my club. See, people take you at face value, Simon. Me, well, I have to transform to meet everyone's expectations constantly. Truth isn't one thing because I'm not one thing. You understand? I take all my experiences and use them to cater to all different kinds of people under one roof. Whether it's the black professional athlete ordering his next bottle of Ciroc, or whether it's the Wall Street motherfucker getting blackout drunk on the company's dime, I understand him. I get him. And because I get him, I get him. And because I get him, I get rich.